While you're relying on one paycheck, others are building multiple income streams and thriving. If you're not doing this, you're already falling behind. In today's video, we delve into the topic of job security and the often misleading notion of financial stability that comes with traditional employment. Many people believe that a steady paycheck equates to a secure financial future, but this video aims to challenge that belief. We will explore the reality that job reliance can be a double-edged sword, as it often masks the inherent risks associated with depending solely on a single source of income. To engage you further, we will present relatable scenarios that illustrate the suddenness of job loss and its profound impact on individuals and families. Imagine waking up one day to find that your position has been eliminated, leaving you scrambling to make ends meet. This situation is more common than you might think, and it highlights the fragility of relying on traditional employment for financial security. By understanding these risks, we can better prepare ourselves for the uncertainties of the job market and explore alternative avenues for financial stability. Join us as we unpack these critical insights and encourage a more proactive approach to securing your financial future beyond the confines of a paycheck. Together, we can redefine what true financial security looks like in an ever-changing economic landscape. Many individuals hold the misconception that a steady paycheck guarantees financial security, but the reality can be quite different. Consider the story of Sarah, a dedicated employee who spent over a decade at her company, consistently going above and beyond in her role. One day, without warning, she received the news that her position was being eliminated due to company restructuring. Despite her loyalty and hard work, she found herself suddenly unemployed, facing the daunting task of finding a new job in a competitive market. This scenario is not unique. Countless workers experience similar shocks, revealing that job permanence is not a given, regardless of dedication. Companies often prioritize profit margins over employee security, leading to layoffs and downsizing that can leave even the most committed workers in precarious situations. The harsh truth is that businesses may view employees as expendable resources rather than valued assets, especially during economic downturns. This reality underscores the importance of diversifying income sources and not relying solely on a paycheck for financial stability. By recognizing that job security is an illusion, we can better prepare ourselves for the uncertainties of the job market and take proactive steps to safeguard our financial futures. In examining the harsh truths about employer-employee relationships, it becomes clear that many businesses view employees primarily as assets rather than as family members. This perspective can lead to a transactional approach, where the focus is on maximizing productivity and profit rather than fostering genuine loyalty and support. When companies undergo corporate restructuring or face financial challenges, the implications can be severe, often resulting in layoffs that affect even the most dedicated employees. This reality serves as a stark reminder that job security is not guaranteed, regardless of how long one has been with a company or how hard they have worked. Understanding your replaceability in the workplace is crucial. It highlights the need for individuals to recognize that their roles can be filled by others, often with little notice. This awareness can be unsettling, but it also empowers employees to take charge of their careers by seeking additional skills, networking, and exploring alternative income streams. By acknowledging the transactional nature of many employer-employee relationships, individuals can better prepare for the uncertainties of the job market and make informed decisions about their professional futures. Ultimately, fostering a mindset of adaptability and resilience is essential in navigating the complexities of today's corporate landscape. As we navigate the evolving landscape of employment, it's crucial to encourage viewers to continuously adapt and expand their skill sets. The rise of automation and artificial intelligence is reshaping job security, rendering many traditional roles obsolete while creating new opportunities that require different skills. This shift underscores the importance of viewing your employment as a business transaction. You are not just an employee, but a service provider offering your skills in exchange for compensation. By adopting this mindset, you can take proactive steps to enhance your value in the marketplace. In a rapidly changing job market, staying relevant is no longer optional. It's a necessity. This means actively seeking out training, pursuing certifications, and embracing lifelong learning to keep pace with industry advancements. Whether it's developing technical skills, improving soft skills, or exploring new fields, the ability to adapt is key to maintaining your employability. Remember, the job market is dynamic, and those who invest in their personal and professional growth will be better positioned to thrive amidst uncertainty. By prioritizing skill development and remaining open to new opportunities, you can safeguard your career and ensure that you are prepared for whatever the future holds. Embrace change and let it propel you towards success. In today's unpredictable economic climate, it's essential to stress the necessity of having a financial backup plan. Relying solely on one source of income can be risky, as job loss or unexpected expenses can occur at any moment. To safeguard against these uncertainties, consider establishing various forms of backup plans. One effective strategy is to create an emergency fund, which should ideally cover 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This financial cushion can provide peace of mind and stability during challenging times. Additionally, exploring side hustles can be a valuable way to diversify your income streams. Whether it's freelancing, consulting, or starting a small business, having multiple sources of income can help mitigate the financial impact of job loss. Proactive planning is crucial. By taking steps now to secure your financial future, you can better navigate the challenges that may arise. This might involve budgeting, investing in skills that enhance your employability, or networking to uncover new opportunities. Remember, the goal is to create a safety net that allows you to weather financial storms with confidence. By prioritizing a backup plan, you empower yourself to face uncertainties head-on and maintain control over your financial well-being. Advocating for diversifying income is essential for enhancing financial security in today's uncertain economic landscape. Relying on a single source of income can leave you financially vulnerable, especially in the face of unexpected job loss or economic downturns. By establishing multiple income sources, you can significantly reduce this vulnerability and create a more stable financial foundation. This diversification not only provides a safety net, but also opens up new opportunities for growth and wealth accumulation. Continuous skill improvement plays a vital role in this process. By investing in your education and enhancing your skill set, you increase your marketability and adaptability in various fields. This proactive approach allows you to seize new opportunities as they arise, whether through freelance work, part-time jobs, or entrepreneurial ventures. I encourage viewers to explore various avenues for income generation, such as online businesses, gig economy jobs, or passive income streams like investments and real estate. Each of these options can contribute to a more robust financial portfolio. By embracing the idea of diversifying income, you empower yourself to navigate financial challenges with greater confidence and resilience. Ultimately, taking charge of your financial future through multiple income streams can lead to increased security and peace of mind. Highlighting the importance of being prepared for unexpected changes is crucial in today's unpredictable job markets and economic conditions. The reality is that fluctuations in the economy, technological advancements, and shifting consumer demands can dramatically alter the landscape of employment. Therefore, it's essential to cultivate flexibility and adaptability in your career planning. This means being open to new opportunities, willing to learn new skills, and ready to pivot when necessary. Embracing a mindset of adaptability not only enhances your employability, but also positions you to thrive amidst uncertainty. Additionally, having a safety net for financial stability is paramount. This could take the form of an emergency fund, which provides a buffer during times of job loss or unexpected expenses, or diversifying your income streams to ensure that you're not solely reliant on one source of income. The benefits of being prepared extend beyond mere financial security. They also foster peace of mind and confidence in your ability to navigate challenges. By proactively planning for potential changes and investing in your personal and professional growth, you can better withstand the ups and downs of the job market. Ultimately, preparation empowers you to face the future with resilience and optimism, regardless of what it may hold. As we wrap up this discussion, let's recap the key points about job security and financial independence. We've explored the misconception that a steady paycheck guarantees financial stability and highlighted the risks associated with relying solely on one source of income. The importance of diversifying income through side hustles and continuous skill improvement has been emphasized, as well as the necessity of having a financial backup plan to prepare for unexpected changes. By understanding the unpredictability of job markets and the need for flexibility in career planning, you can better navigate the complexities of today's economy. I encourage you to take proactive steps in your financial planning, whether that means building an emergency fund, exploring new income avenues, or investing in your personal development. Remember, the journey to financial independence is ongoing, and every small step counts. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel for more insights and tips on achieving financial security. Don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these discussions. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content and fosters a community focused on empowerment and growth. Thank you for joining us, and let's continue this journey together.